find the middle of your curve. Set and plumb the 2 wall jambs on the center line and mark the holes with a marker. Drill holes with a 3/16 inch drill bit and insert wall anchors. Attach the wall jambs to the wall by using the 6 F8 by 1 1/4 inch screws. Slide the door assembly into the wall jamb on the fixed panel side. Drill 1/8 inch pilot holes and secure on the inside with 3 F6 by 3/8 inch screws. Telescope the door side of the assembly into the opposite wall jamb, being sure to plumb and level the door. Drill 1/8 inch pilot holes and secure with 3 F6 by 3/8 inch screws. Drill 1/8 inch pilot holes. Attach F6 by 3/8 inch screw to the top and bottom to secure the telescoping extrusion. Slide vinyl sweep to the bottom of the door. Attach the 6x6 back-to-back pole. Silicone the inside and out of the wall jambs and the bottom of the door assembly. Allow the enclosure to cure 24 hours before use. Clean glass and aluminum weekly with a mild bathroom cleaner to maintain optimal appearance.